What's up everyone, Dimensionalist here, and I'm here with 2-pack openings of Legendary Duelist Immortal Destiny. Come on, hero cards. Evil hero cards. Diabound Colonel.
Huh?
Predaponics. Gimme Puppet Death Toy. Darving Venom Fusion, that's good. And Gimme Puppet Very Doll. See, a Storm Film's good. Staple in here. Come on. Let me pull an evil hero monster, one of the main ones. Let's see.
Yeah, you're right.
First one, Supe. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. Number 40, Gimme Puppet as Strings. Dark Sanctuary and Predaplant Helpless. Well, not what I needed, but I guess it can help. So yeah, this pack was interesting. That's it. Mental signing out.